Every year my car has to be inspected. It's a Massachusetts thing, and one of the things that will make your car fail is if you have holes in the body. It's supposed to be something about air getting to the cabin. Hard to do through one layer of holes in your body, but at any rate, that'll fail your car. And at that point, you need to either get it repaired. I think what they really want people to do is buy new cars. That's crazy. I love my Miata, and I've decided that to fix my holes, I would buy some replacement panels. I'm super scared to cut holes in my car, but I'm thinking the holes that I've got from all the rust can't be much more embarrassing than what I do when I try to weld on these new panels. So I'm gonna order some paint. I've ordered so many parts already. I think I'm in it for just the panels. I think it was about $170 just in paint and prep type stuff. I think I'm in it for about $100. I did buy a lot of, I don't know, sandpaper type things. What are they called? Things that fall apart or get used. Expendables, not expendables. I don't know. But a bunch of cut discs, a bunch of stuff. I don't know what the best way to do this is. I've never cut onto an outside of body. I have cut floors and things that people don't see. I've never cut, especially on my daily driver. But I've had this Miata for 12 years, so I want to keep it going. I'm going to have to cut out this rust. I guess I'm fortunate enough to live on a beach, but what it has done is rotted out this car. So, yeah, gonna have to cut it. So the plan that I'm seeing to do the least amount of cutting, or the least amount of thing, is just to cut out a line like this, and then cut down into this. Because this stuff, the fitment seems a little weird. I also don't like how there isn't a flat panel at the bottom of this. So I believe the way that Mazda's done this is that they tack this spot welds over here, and then they put spot welds along the back of this. I'm going to have to do a butt weld wherever I cut the line, and as you'll see, there's no metal under this anymore, so I'm going to have to create something to spot weld it to, or maybe even butt weld it to the crease. I don't know if you're familiar with the Miata, but there's a crease over here, and I think that's where it lets in all the water that makes this all run out. But we'll see. So my car has a ton of rust in one particular area. I would say it's from here all the way out to here, and it's mostly gone, both sides, probably from about here all the way up here. And it's got a lot of bubbling up here. There's not really much of an issue here. There's a spot here, and I'm really afraid of cutting my car as it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut from this mark up, maybe even just up a little, and then we'll end up cutting down quite a bit. Now I've read that it's good to have curves to stop warpage in your cuts. I've also read that it's easier to have a straight line. So I've mocked it up so far. I've decided that's a good cut. So I'm thinking at least cut this part out so we can mock it closer, because this hits the bumper, which I haven't taken off because I still have to drive the car until we're settled on this. Still really scared, as I said before. So we're going to cut it. I'm thinking air tool, air cutter. Whoa. That's not the best looking blade, but it is the finest blade I have. I don't know, I think they call it a blade either, a disc. But we're going to see how the old air compressor works. Cut this thing up. Drop a couple drops of oil in there. So we've got a sheet of cardboard here. Make our almost straight edge to go over a piece of metal. This is the highest point that I want to cut. I don't know the best way to do something like this. I imagine it's a straight across line. What's a straight across line? Is that right? Puts on a little crease in it. Perfect. Alright, so let's get rid of some more of this and see what happens. Be in there anyway. Oh man. I do wish that it had an edge at the bottom so you could tack weld it into the weld thing. I might add an edge. I guess we'll see. I'm gonna stick it on there, see what it looks like.